All right, we're doing the Ayingerz. It's an Oktoberfest beer. They've been around for a while. 5.8% alcohol by volume. Formed in 1878. Oh yeah,
Traditional
Bavaria.
German, you know, Bavarian Oktoberfest. And Marzen,
Yeah.
it's kind of the style.
It'll be low in IBUs, of course. So,
Yeah. Reddish, a little bit caramely.
Yeah.
Lighter in profile, but still, you know, rich for a lager, right?
Yep. Nice honey color.
Yeah, dark golden. It'll probably get, if it were a full glass, be a little more almost orangey kind of. Boy, nice head, and it's nice and cold too.
It's kind of a white brown head.
Yeah. All right, Ayingerz. Man, I used to love Ayingerz beers, all of them. Their Maibach is incredible. Smells real German, real continental, beautiful, kind of yeasty, malty character. Almost like a little caramely smell to it.
Yeah.
It's got that beautiful German smell.
In a cup, you can get the aroma and essence.
God, yeah, oh yeah, man. Oh, right away, caramely, a little bit rich, but light and dry too, you know, not like heavy and lingering. It's just, oh man, it's caramely.
Yeah.
God, it's beautiful.
That's awesome.
Not much of a hop presence to
No,
it,
not at
really.
all,
I mean,
actually.
no aroma, you know, no flavor, but it's an Oktoberfest. It shouldn't be hoppy anyway.
Right.
You know, I mean, most German beers really aren't, right?
This would be good room temperature too, like any other.
If it were a little
beer, so,
warmer, yeah, it would show more of that caramel and those darker malts and stuff.
Yeah.
I've always found, though, when German beers are colder, you get that yeasty nose up front and a little bit of the, I don't know, a little bit of the grain, I guess, and they just smell so clean. That, like, more than any other beer, more than an English beer, they just are so clean smelling.
Yeah.
I mean, it smells crisp.
And and it is crisp too. I was just gonna say they're very crisp. One cool thing about this is first thing that comes to mind was this would go with any sort of Thanksgiving dinner, like turkey, fucking
it would.
a lot of dry meat.
Yeah, it would. I think it would go really well with some like sausage type stuff too, like sausages on their own. But what about like sausage stuffing? You know?
Oh yeah.
It'd
Yeah,
be really
stuffing.
good with that.
This would-
Like if we're going that route, you
Right.
know?
Yeah.
But any kind of traditional German fare, bratwursts, you know, all that kind of
of
stuff is
course.
fantastic with that. The caramely aspect to it, though, I mean, that lends to all sorts of things, and even richer things, like almost, you know, going the dessert route, right? It'd be great with any kind of chicken, though. Lots of different sorts of pork. If you had some thick cut pork chops.
Yeah.
With like, you know, some pepper and like a maybe some of this and a little bit of a brown sauce or something with it and some peppercorns.
Right.
And, ooh, man.
You got me really thinking on the desserts. This would go nice with like a fucking apple pie. Or
Yeah.
like a peach cobbler.
Yeah, have you noticed this does have almost a little bit of a kind of a spicy type of profile to it? Just a
there's a
tinge of spice in there, you know?
Yeah, there's definitely a hint. But yeah, like I was saying, peach cobbler would be good with this.
Yeah, apple pie, cobbler.
Even something simple as like a strawberry shortcake or something would definitely complement that.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I would love to see this with some sausages.
Yeah.
Some bratwurst.
Absolutely.
Maybe
Pastas.
even some spicy. Oh yeah.
Pastas, like a German or Italian, like.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No, like I mean, you could do capellini with some crushed tomato and like maybe I don't know, something a little bit richer in there, like a smoked salmon or something to play off of it. Or you could do a fettuccine maybe with like a scampi in there and just a tinge of Cajun spice, just something to kind of like play off of the sweetness of this a little bit.
Absolutely. It'd go with like some good stuff with cheeses too, like
it would,
like a sharp cheese,
good and sharp and dry,
Yeah.
like a real nice sharp white cheddar.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh man, real rich. Yeah, I think sharper, harder cheeses would be good with this.
Yeah.
Not the creamier ones, you know.
Right. Provolone would be good.
Yeah, some fresh sourdough bread,
Yeah,
toasted up
absolutely.
with this.
Yeah, like a
Little bit of like garlic oil on top of it, you know.
like a fucking
man.
sourdough breaded sandwich or garlic bread made out of sourdough. Like, yeah, absolutely.
God, this is so solid. It's
Oh, yeah.
just so well done.
Mm-hmm.
What? Oh man. One of the quintessential Oktoberfests you can get in the States for sure is Ayingerz. Like, this is great stuff.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Nice, just dark fall Marzen, you know, caramely, beautiful.
Yeah. Smells good, tastes good.
God, I love the nose on it.
Yeah.
It just, I mean, there's nothing like a real, true continental beer. I mean, there's just nothing like it.
Right.
Spectacular.
Fucking
Yeah,
Good.
I agree.